Hey guys, what's up people?
So today we're gonna be doing the ultrasonic sensor and the buzzer
both of which we have covered in our channel before. So this is gonna be an experiment. So it's a home security. So basically, if you keep your hand near it, it will buzz in a 5 centimeter radius. But let's see how to expand it.
So now
roll the intro. Okay guys, so we are here in the station and so now we need a breadboard to do this and few jumper wires, not these many but we're gonna need it, and one of the ultrasonic sensors. And so yeah, so let's connect that up on any pin on the breadboard. I'm just gonna connect it there on the breadboard. No, wait, hold up. There on the breadboard, and then I'm gonna first connect that to the VCC, which is the VCC always goes to the 5 volt on the Arduino. Let's go. Alright, so then the trig pin, which is nothing but which goes 9 on the Arduino, 9 on the Arduino, and then the echo pin goes to 10 on the Arduino, which is right next to the trig pin. So 10 on the Arduino, and then the last pin goes to GND on the Arduino. Alright, fine. So now that's done. I'm just gonna show you one little that can help you. So we have our ultrasonic sensor to VCC to 5, GND to GND, trig pin to 9, and echo pin to 10. So now time for the buzzer. The buzzer, I have it over here. So now let's use female to male jumper wires because it's way easier with it. So we're gonna place that. Okay, so this is the wrong pin. Let's use something else. So the positive pin, which is the longer side, sorry for the spelling, will go to the 11 on the Arduino. 11 on the Arduino, and the smaller side will go to the 10 on the GND on the Arduino. Alright, so that's done, and the last thing is our LED, which will go on 13 and GND. 13 and GND. Alright, so now that we're done with the wiring, my brother will now explain the code to you.
So guys, now we are going to be doing the code. So the constant trig pin tells where the constant trig pin and the echo pin tells where the ultrasonic sensor is. The buzzer is at pin 11 and LED pin as 13 as always. Sorry, / define variables. So it'll just tell the name of what is under. Long duration. So it'll buzz for how many ever times, how much time you want it to buzz, and after you leave it, it'll stop. Int distance. So right now our distance is very low. If you want, you can change the code for it. Int safety distance. So that's also the same thing. Void setup. So trig pin is right now output in this. Okay. So then after this, echo pin is input. Buzzer is output. LED pin is output. So now I will be showing you why is it written 9600 over here. So first what you have to do is you have to go, you know how to get this? No. So I'll show you in a second. So you have to go to the right top, okay, and you'll see something called serial monitor. So if you just click on that, this will appear. Okay, so this, and you can choose 300 baud, 1200, 2400, 400, 800. Yeah, so you can, there is limited but there is a lot. So this is the com. Okay, So now we are gonna connect it and see how it is going to work. Hey guys, so now we just finished uploading the code. Hey, yeah, we just finished uploading the code, and now we are gonna be showing you how it works.
And before that, you can always hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you learn more Arduino or more coding. So, on to the reveal. Let's see how exactly does it work.
Okay,
3,
so now
2, 1.
Wow.
There you go. Thank you guys for watching
This video. Hope you like it.
Subscribe,
Like, and share. Until
Bye.